Welcome. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to create the curve text. This is the new feature of Canva and I'm very sure you enjoyed this video. Previously, some of the video I created on how to create the curve text, I was actually struggling, it was a manual one. But this time we have the automatic on how to actually create the curve text, and I would like you to watch this video to the end and you'll find it very interesting. I'll be right back with all the steps. Welcome back. So let's go to the workspace as we start the exploration right away. Remember the website is canva.com. so when I get to my canva.com, I'm going to look for let me use presentation as the template. So I'll look for a picture. Let me go to my folder to get my pictures. I think I have some. Okay, I have this. Okay, it's one of my nice picture for my thumbnail, and I go to text, add headline. Let me title it welcome to class. Okay, this should be uppercase throughout. Font, let me use intro. Not bad. I don't like this. Just use any font of your choice. I'm going to stay with this. And the next thing we're going to do, let me add color. Blue is fine. Then I'm going to effect. This is where I'm going to be adding the curve. You can see it over here, curve text. So from here you can now be adding, make it the way you want it, any other thing you want to do. I was very happy when I saw this. So I'm going to be creating more video on how to use this, and I'm 100% sure you find it very interesting when we start the formal exploration on this. So give it a try. I know you'll have been giving it a try for now. Give it a try. It is very simple, and I like you to try as much as possible to give it a try. This is nice. Let me see whether I can double. Okay, I can only use one effect. So this is nice. This is nice. Lovely. Look for a nice font. Add it to each. Nice color also will go with it, and this is one of the great steps I think Canva has actually attended to, and I'm very happy to see this. I won't lie to you, I am very happy to see this on Canva. So this is what I've actually created, and I would like you to think of ways to also use it on your own design. Thank you very much for watching this video from the beginning to the end, and I'm sure you enjoy all the steps. Remember to subscribe to the channel, and I'll be right back with more video on how to use Canva. Thank you. Bye.